Thought I'd do a quick video, show you guys my Bose S1 Pro Plus setup. I used it all for 4 hours. It used about half the battery. I used a mic with a wire going into it. My pod go wired into the back. I didn't use the wireless, so the battery may have lasted a little longer because of that. I'm sitting still, didn't see the need. This is the size room. It's Ron John Surf Shop. And so it's a pretty decent sized room. I didn't have to go very high on the volumes. I used backing tracks, so there was always a constant, sound coming through it. It did well. I'm happy with it.
Have to be cool. I think I'm almost Stop watching the news. Sorry, bed. Play lose.